we got another parcel. Yeah.
From
Where's it from?
adspep.com.
Are you excited? Quick. Just watch them dive. Good girl. Good girl, Lace. Oh, what's in here? What is that? Oh, is it for you? What have we got? We've got Prime 100. Oh, look, darling. Show us one of it.
We've got a couple chicken and brown rice.
Yeah, we love it, don't we,
A
Papa?
couple wild boar and pumpkin.
Yeah. Good, Lace. Lace.
A couple kangaroo and pumpkin. And a couple beef and carrot.
Yummo.